everyone. So it's the next day and I just got up a little bit ago. It is super cold today. Like, it's nothing compared to the way that the weather has been. It's really chilly and soggy and just gloomy outside today. So yeah, the weather's not the greatest today. But yeah, just got up, getting ready to go take a shower and get ready. And then possibly going to go shopping for a little bit with my dad. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update on Rocco. He's doing so much better. It's almost like he's going back to normal, so I feel like he can handle pain really well. He can handle it pretty well because he just got fixed yesterday and he's finally starting to go back to his normal self already, and it's only the second day of him being fixed. I don't even know, but he's doing so much better. He's acting like he feels better, and he's just laying around watching cartoons.
Pretty baby. He's a pretty baby. He's a pretty baby.
I'm at Walmart right now. I'm waiting on my dad to get back because he's getting food. I just wanted to show you guys something really quick. The Wonder Balls from the 90s that they used to have back in the day, they started making them again and selling them at Walmart. And I got one. Woohoo! But I seen someone else's, like, opening this, and it didn't look as fun as what it used to be. Like, they used to have stickers and candy in the middle, and they don't really have all of that now. I think they only have candy. So that kind of sucks. That's probably, like, the only downside to it now, that they don't have, like, stickers and candy in it like they used to. So I was a little bit disappointed whenever I found that out. But I mean, at least they still make them, which is kind of cool. It's a thing of the past. But yeah, I thought that I would show you guys that I got a Wonder Ball. Probably gonna get some Taco Bell in a minute. Just kind of getting stuff that I needed, and that was pretty much it. Nothing too exciting. Hang on. Show you guys. Open it up. I don't know why I feel like super tired right now. Oh, they do give you stickers. Okay, never mind. There are stickers in it. So, my stickers. Never mind, they do put stickers in it. It's just not on the inside of the ball. They're Minion. I just want to bite into it to see. I want a ball. It's cute. I might save the wrapper.
It's so long since I've seen your pretty face.
Okay, mine was already split open, but I got the banana kind.
The candy inside is so good. Oh my god. I'm gonna go now.
Yesterday I forgot to end my vlog. Didn't really do much, to be honest with you. It was just kind of like a lazy, chill night. Just kind of like Thursday kind of was for me. Just kind of like a lazy, chill day. I think that I colored some in the coloring book that Tiffany got for me. I watched the movie Misery with my mom, which was really good. The lady was psycho. I played with my kitties for a little bit. I did a puzzle that Tiffany sent down to me, and that was pretty much it. I didn't really do much else after that. But yeah, it's the next day. I haven't took a shower yet because I'm waiting on my papa and my dad to get done. They're installing a ceiling fan in my room. So yeah, I'm just kind of waiting for them to get done doing that real quick. And then I'm going to go take a shower, get ready for the day. But for right now, I'm getting ready to decorate some Easter eggs. So we can give them to my grandmother to take to church with her tomorrow for the little kids. So I'm pretty excited, but it's a nice day. And I haven't changed clothes yet, so I'm kind of nasty because I'm waiting on them to get done. My short horror film, but I don't know, it's too sunny and pretty outside, and I was wanting like a gloomy type of day, and it's not gloomy, it's really pretty. So I might just wait on that again. Plus I didn't get all the stuff that I needed for my Slender Man, because I'm going to do my dad's makeup to make him look like Slender Man, so I'm probably going to have to wait till I get the stuff for that first.
Look who it is! Look who it is! Look who it is! It's Rocco! He's been doing really good too, by the way. He's been trying to go back to normal. He's like wanting to go outside, like in the living room and outside and stuff, but we can't let him do that yet because he's still healing up from the surgery, so we still have to wait a few days before he can come out, but after that he's free to go wherever he wants to go. So, yay, but that's my baby! Oh gosh! How long do you have to look and sit and keep the phone? Now how do you do this? You have to lift him up with your hand. Yeah, that's all you do. Sit him down in there. Let him sit for a while and then you have to take him and put him back in there. Just don't get it dry on your hands. Daddy. No picture of Daddy kills me every time. Daddy stink. He said on those egg holder things. Too. On that egg holder thing? How did he do this? You can do it on those. What should I put? Put anything. Put, where are you? Dead zone. No, if they're going to church, I don't want to put something like that up there. No. See, they're having it tomorrow. We will be having eggs Sunday morning for the annual Easter egg hunt. What should I put on? I smell flowers and vinegar. How long do you want to sit? Just let them sit for a little bit. You can spin them around a little bit in there, but then make sure they get it all out. Oh. See, we get it out. It's yellow. It's not orange, it's yellow. That's cool. I like the blue. The blue's pretty. Oh, that is pretty. I like the blue. The jelly bean curd. What do you even use this for? To crack the egg. Eat out of it. No one will be using that. It says red is for the blood he gave, green is for the grass he made, yellow is for the sun so bright, orange is for the edge of night. Black is for the sins that were made, white is grace he gave, purple is for the hour of sorrow, pink is for the new tomorrow. Tell us what you've done with all the grass. It's not me. You have to know. How do you do this? I don't want to drop it. You don't. You just pick it up like that. I don't want to drop it. Just pick it up with your finger. My fingers are small like that. No, you did. I'll let it dry. I don't know what I did. Did some. I really should put it in there yet. Oh! Egg. I gotta check on her. Here. I gotta get up. Oh, I get up.
My dad and my papa literally just got done because they had to fix the light switch in the bathroom too because it was like messed up or something, but they finally got done. I had dinner. I just went for a walk with my mom, and today was a really pretty nice day outside. I don't know if tomorrow's gonna be any better.
Easter is sometimes in April and then sometimes it's in March, which I don't understand. Like, me and Tiffany were talking about it, and like March already has its own holiday, which is St. Patrick's Day. Like, it doesn't need another holiday. Like, give April one. Like, I don't understand that.
I'm probably gonna wear the dress that Tiffany sent down to me, which was hers, tomorrow for Easter because I didn't get an Easter dress this year. I want to get more dresses and like more girlier things to wear outside because most of the stuff that I have is like tomboyish or just like lazy, if you want to call it lazy. All I wear is t-shirts and yoga pants and sweatpants and pajama pants, and I want some more girlier things. Yeah, like I said, I was going to make my short horror film today, but I didn't get around to it because I haven't been able to take a shower yet because where they've been in the bathroom. So I'm probably going to go get some food with my dad and find some duct tape for my ceiling fan. I'll show you guys my ceiling fan in a minute. I'll come back home and take a shower. I don't know what I'll do after that. Haven't really got that figured out yet, but I feel gross right now. Voila! That is my ceiling fan. That's what it looks like. I need to put my Walking Dead posters back up because we had to take them down to install it, and there's like still like a big gaping hole beside of it, so we're gonna have to get some like duct tape or something to cover it back up for now because I don't want no like creepers or something looking at me from our attic. But yeah, I really like it. Keeps my room cool. My room gets like really hot in the summertime. It stays hot, and I cannot sleep whenever it's hot. Like I have to sleep with the fan on or something. I'll show you guys this because I got it the other day. I got it yesterday. I wanted to try something different for like face wash because my face has been really broke out lately. And the face wash that I was using wasn't really helping me much. So I know that Neutrogena helped me a while back because I used Neutrogena on my face a few times, but it was just so expensive. It was so expensive, so I stopped getting it. But anyways, I seen this, and this is like a bar of soap, but it's the Neutrogena transparent facial bar. For acne prone skin, which is what I've got. So yeah, I'm gonna give this a try and see how it works. It was only about like $3 or so. So it was very cheap, and I think that it will last 2 weeks because it's very thick and big, and I'm only gonna be using like a small amount of it. So this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna give it a try and see what it does. If it doesn't work, I may order Proactive offline eventually, if not, because I've been struggling with acne since I was like 10, and it's been so bad, and nothing has really ever helped my skin, so I've been thinking about getting Proactive. If this doesn't work, I'm going to try to get Proactive, like order it offline or something, but I also got these. I've never used anything like this before. These are called facial cleansing puffs. There's like wash your face with. It's all the dead skin and stuff out of your pores. Probably going to try that out with my bar and see how it works, but I can't do too much more. I need to start getting some moisturizer for my face too, because my face gets really dry, and using regular lotion on my skin, I've noticed it really breaks your skin out more. Oh, I forgot to show you guys my autographs too. I'll go ahead and show you that since I'm in here. Okay. This right here is Keegan Allen, who plays Toby from Pretty Little Liars. This is Jason Castro, who I met at Winter Jam with his autograph. This is Capital Kings. This was Thousand Foot Crutch's autograph. This is OBB. There's their autograph right there. This is Colton Dixon. New song, Everlife. Up here is Royal Taylor. Up there I have my Jonas Brothers ticket from whenever they were going to come here, but they canceled their tour and broke up. And the newspaper article my mom found of them coming here. So yeah, I kept all of that stuff and hung it up on my wall. Like I said, it may grow if I ever meet any newer celebrities. I'll probably add them to the collection. But yeah, I used to go to Winter Jam like every single year, and this year we didn't go because they had a lot of like the same people that they had years before, and we didn't want to like meet the same people that we've already met. So yeah, I'm gonna go for now, and I will see you guys later. Hey there, baby dolls. So I think the last time that I talked to you guys, I was getting ready to go somewhere with my parents to get some food. So we did that. My mom made homemade party mix, which is freaking amazing. Nobody can make homemade party mix like my mom. So I ate some of that, and we also got some tortilla chips and some salsa, and that was pretty good. And I came back home after that, and I took a shower, and I played with my kitties for a little bit, and now I am working on a page in my breakfast journal. So yeah, I had to get some duct tape to cover up the hole that was around my ceiling fan, because there was a huge hole like cut in the wall in the ceiling from where my papa had to like cut around it to like get it up in there and stuff. And they didn't have yellow duct tape because that part of my ceiling is yellow. So I ended up having to get like a pattern one, and I thought about just like taking some of the duct tape and using the rest of it on my breakfast journal, so that's what I did. But hang on. This is what the duct tape looks like. It just looks like a little funky pattern, like design around my ceiling fan, but I actually kind of like it. I think it looks really cool. I like tie-dye too, so it works. But yeah, that happened. And yeah, I mean, I don't really think I want to do much else tonight. I'm probably going to finish that page, watch Paranormal Lockdown. I'm really getting into that show. I really like it. That's all I've got planned for the rest of tonight. I'm probably going to go ahead and end this vlog here. I hope you guys have had a happy Easter. I know that you guys aren't going to see this until after Easter, so I hope that you had a good Easter. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and tell me what you thought. Subscribe if you haven't already, and there will be more vlogs in the future. Goodbye.
Put your makeup on, get your nails done, curl your hair, run the extra mile, keep it slim so they like you. Do they like you? Get your sexy on, don't be shy girl, take it off. This is what you want to belong, so they like you. Do you like you? Well, you don't have to try so hard. You don't have to give it all away. You just have to get up, get up, get up, get up. You don't have to change a single